Upon arrival, the harvested banana blossoms are delivered in temperature-controlled containers, ensuring freshness is preserved throughout.
Technicians verify each batch's storage conditions to ensure compliance with strict cold chain protocols, safeguarding the blossom's natural quality before inspection.
Every crate is traceable, scanned for its farm of origin, date of harvest, and cold route history, ensuring full transparency from field to fork. A team of food quality experts visually inspects each blossom, evaluating its color, structure, and aroma to meet premium grade standards. Each banana blossom is carefully opened to assess internal consistency, ensuring only the freshest, most uniform cuts continue to processing.
Samples are taken for laboratory verification and flash-cooled to maintain molecular integrity during transport to testing units.
Hyperspectral scanners analyze the pigment density and surface hydration of each blossom, ensuring optimal texture and color profile.
Micro defects invisible to the naked eye are detected instantly, allowing the system to remove flawed materials before they enter production. Once approved, each batch is sealed in protective crates, ready to begin its journey through the advanced processing line. After approval, crates are routed to the unpacking line, where robotic handlers ensure a sterile and contactless transition into the wash cycle. High-speed robotic arms unlatch crate lids with precision, maintaining the chill and integrity of each blossom. Each blossom is lifted with vacuum-sealed grips, engineered to preserve petal integrity while maintaining strict food-grade hygiene.
Integrated pressure sensors measure each blossom's weight and shape, ensuring consistency before washing begins. Artificial intelligence tracks multiple parameters for every unit, size, density, and symmetry, to uphold quality thresholds.
Blossoms falling short of criteria are gently separated for manual inspection or secondary processing. Verified blossoms continue their journey towards high-pressure sanitation, preparing them for slicing and core removal. Guided by smart rails, banana blossoms move in perfect sequence, each step perfectly timed for industrial harmony.
Before high-pressure rinsing, a fine mist hydrates the surface layers, loosening dust and activating natural oils. Now fully inspected and rehydrated, each blossom is ready for the next stage: precision high-pressure cleaning. The first rinse begins with high-pressure water jets, removing visible surface dust and field residue. Rotating nylon brushes exfoliate the outer petal layers, deep cleaning without damaging delicate tissues.
Debris is flushed through graded drains, leaving only the clean, fresh floral tissue behind. Ultrasonic mist envelops each blossom, enhancing cleaning at the cellular level without chemical agents.
After washing, blossoms are scanned using multispectral optics, ensuring deep layer sanitation and blemish detection. Multispectral vision reveals hidden defects, bruising, mold traces, and internal decay invisible to the eye. Any blossom deemed unsuitable is softly removed for secondary inspection or composting. Approved blossoms undergo one final rinse using sterile water, guaranteeing absolute surface purity.
A vibration rack shakes off excess water, allowing blossoms to air dry evenly without blotting or compression. Before washing, water purity is verified and continuously filtered, preserving hygiene throughout every rinse cycle.
UV sterilization ensures rinse water is pathogen-free, supporting clean operations without chemical residue.
High-pressure jets oscillate in real time, adapting flow patterns to cleanse complex blossom contours.
Post-wash water is filtered in dedicated channels, separating organic residue for safe treatment and disposal.
Technicians verify rinse quality at every interval, ensuring surface purity down to the cellular layer.
Powerful air blades strip moisture from petal surfaces, improving clarity for optical defect detection.
Polarized optics highlight micro blemishes, identifying imperfections before they become quality risks.
AI ranks each blossom by quality tier, guiding line automation and product categorization instantly.
Rejected blossoms are never wasted, recycled into nutrient-rich compost for regenerative farming.
As a final check, aroma sensors confirm natural freshness,
assuring flavor is locked before slicing.
Now fully cleansed and scanned, each blossom enters a sterile air chamber, ready for precision slicing and core removal.
Each blossom is now centered inside a precision coring module, setting the stage for high-speed internal extraction. A titanium coring rod pierces the blossom's axis, cleanly removing fibrous cores while preserving outer petal structure.
The extracted core is immediately chilled to retain texture and nutrients, segregated from outer edible bracts.
Cord blossoms continue onward, their layered bracts prepared for precision slicing into culinary-ready strands. Ultra-sharp rotary blades slice bracts into even strands, optimized for both appearance and mouthfeel in the final dish. Freshly sliced strands show natural curl and sheen, delicate, vibrant, and full of flavor potential. Optical grading separates each cut based in width, tone, and structure, ensuring presentation quality at the micro level. To lock in crispness, sliced blossoms are passed through a rapid chilling tunnel before soaking begins.
Before entering the soaking tanks, expert hands confirm each slice meets texture and elasticity targets.
Sorted and verified, the delicate strands proceed to the next phase, natural preservation and whitening soak.
Gently drained, the blossom strips are arranged on drying racks. Infrared technology begins the dehydration process without altering texture.
Warm air diffuses evenly around each petal strand, removing residual moisture while maintaining fiber integrity. Precision hygrometers track internal tunnel humidity, ensuring consistent drying without overprocessing.
Operators fine-tune airflow and heat settings, customizing the cycle based on blossom thickness and harvest humidity.
At the tunnel's end, blossom strips emerge with a creamy ivory tone, light, resilient, and ready for vacuum preservation.
Naturally curled and delicately veined, each dried strip retains the blossom's elegance, now shelf-stable and culinary-ready.
Dried output is weighed and logged, ensuring each batch aligns with product standards for commercial packaging.
From air to bin, dried blossoms are funneled into staging trays, ready for vacuum sealing and global distribution. The dried blossoms now enter the vacuum packaging line, final stop before becoming shelf-stable culinary exports. Final inspection confirms each detail, color, dryness, aroma, before sealing nature's elegance into every pouch. Preserved blossom strands are escorted into a vacuum-sealed environment, designed to maintain hygiene and nutritional integrity. Each batch is portioned into sterilized pouches via gravity-fed channels, minimizing human contact at every step. Before sealing, nitrogen is injected to displace oxygen, extending shelf life and preserving natural taste. With oxygen removed, thermal heads seal each pouch, forming an airtight barrier against time and spoilage. Each package passes under a defect scanner, rejecting any seal anomalies before labeling and boxing. Smart labels are applied instantly, linking each pouch to its origin, batch data, and nutrient profile. Robotic arms package pouches into cartons, optimized for space, transport, and visual shelf appeal. Each carton is wrapped in tamper-proof film, ensuring integrity until it reaches its final destination. Packaged blossoms are stacked onto sanitized pallets, each marked for domestic or international distribution. Now fully packaged, the blossom strands are logged and chilled, awaiting departure into global food supply networks.
Inside the logistics hub, vacuum-packed banana blossoms rest in perfect conditions, preserved for global delivery.
Each pallet is digitally assigned to a destination, complete with cold route mapping and real-time monitoring data. Orders are retrieved by autonomous jacks and routed directly into refrigerated transport bays, keeping product temperature stable. Pallets are loaded into cryogenic containers, where chilled air and dry ice preserve freshness across continents. Smart sensors monitor environmental conditions inside each shipment, logging temperature, movement, and humidity in real time. With GPS coordination, each shipment begins its journey, ensuring traceability from dock to distribution point.
At air hubs, blossom cartons pass through customs and onto aircraft, never breaking cold chain integrity. Temperature-controlled freight is loaded with precision, keeping every strand in pristine condition until landing.
Throughout transit, cargo cabins remain climate-locked, preserving freshness thousands of miles above ground.
At the destination hub, insulated teams receive blossoms directly from the aircraft, ready to deliver to kitchens worldwide.
Fresh from the cold chain, preserved banana blossom arrives at the chef's station, still as pristine as the day it was sliced.
Carefully unsealed, the blossom strips are ready for their transformation, still crisp, aromatic, and vivid.
A gentle rinse removes remaining preservation agents, activating the blossom's natural color and delicate aroma.
Tossed with lime, herbs, and spice, the blossoms absorb bright Southeast Asian flavors while staying tender and toothsome.
On the plate, blossom salad is both art and nourishment, a sensory celebration of taste, texture, and tradition.
Each bite carries the freshness of the farm, the precision of technology, and the soul of culinary craft.
The fibers retain their gentle crunch, proof of perfect processing from core to kitchen.
This isn't just a dish, it's the journey of a blossom, delivered across the globe in perfect harmony.
This is how nature, technology, and culinary heritage come together in every blossom, every plate, every story.
In stores, each pouch tells a story, farm-sourced, cold-preserved, and verified at every stage of production.
With a single scan, customers can follow the blossom's journey from soil to shelf, reinforcing confidence and culinary value.
From fine dining to global exhibitions, the Blossom brand stands for innovation, flavor, and sustainable excellence.
To ensure repeatability and compliance, every detail is archived, down to the last bloom, blade, and barcode.
The journey ends where legacy begins, a testament to what's possible when tradition meets technology.
Beyond the kitchen, each blossom dish becomes a marketing icon, carefully styled to showcase vibrant color and delicate texture.
Captured in ultra-high definition, these images highlight purity, presentation, and the premium journey behind each dish.
From social feeds to gourmet menus, the blossom's journey becomes its identity, a fusion of freshness and storytelling. With a single scan, customers can follow the blossom's journey from soil to shelf, reinforcing confidence and culinary value.
Positive reviews celebrate not just taste, but trust in the precision that made it possible.
From fine dining to global exhibitions, the Blossom brand stands for innovation, flavor, and sustainable excellence.
To ensure repeatability and compliance, every detail is archived, down to the last bloom, blade, and barcode. The journey ends where legacy begins, a testament to what's possible when tradition meets technology.
Cinematic storytelling begins with movement, each dish filmed in 4K to amplify its sensory appeal on every screen.
Refined lighting brings out the nuanced texture of every blossom strand, crafting an image that speaks before words do.
Every font, frame, and fade is built with intention, amplifying trust and premium value through motion design.
From countryside to skyline, the Blossom brand enters global consciousness, clean, curated, and cutting edge. Strategic releases across digital ecosystems reinforce the brand's voice, timed to echo across every audience segment.
Analytics confirm the story resonates. Customers crave transparency, and the journey map becomes their compass.
From batch 0 to batch now, each Blossom generation is frozen in time, ready for science, comparison, or legacy. In a world of shortcuts, the process becomes the promise, and the Blossom, its proof.